Growth and comfort never coexist. And if you're going to grow as a person, as a leader, you got to get comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Ginny Rometty says, growth and comfort do not coexist, but we say, it does. When technology aligns with business, growth becomes inevitable. Hello, future entrepreneurs. The world is shifting fast, and technology has opened up endless doors for business growth. One industry that's booming right now is the online furniture marketplace, and if you're watching this video, you've probably thought about making your own app, just like Wayfair. Well, guess what? You've made an excellent choice. With a virtual furniture shopping app, the opportunities are huge, and we're here to guide you on how you can make your app like Wayfair, step by step. Stay tuned. We'll cover everything from key features to development costs, and even show you how to make money from it. Let's dive in. An overview of Wayfair. Wayfair is an American e-commerce giant, specializing in furniture, home decor, and kitchen appliances. Founded in 2002 by Steve Conine, Wayfair was designed to help users virtually style their homes. It offers an interactive experience where customers can filter products by pricing, brand, color, customer ratings, and more. With its estimated 2024 annual revenue of $11.8 billion, Wayfair has captured a huge chunk of the market. It's available on web, Android, and iOS platforms, making it accessible to nearly everyone. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I create something similar? Well, let's break it down. Building an app like Wayfair doesn't happen overnight, but if you follow these steps, you're on your way to success. Step 1. Market research and strategy. Study the e-commerce and furniture market, analyze competitors like Wayfair, and identify gaps to make your app stand out. Step 2. Hire a reputable firm. Partner with a trusted development firm like RichestSoft to choose the right platform, tech stack, and ensure scalability. Step 3. High-end features. Incorporate essential features like search filters and personalized recommendations, along with unique solutions for furniture market problems. Step 4. User-centric design. Ensure a clean, intuitive, and visually appealing design by working with experienced designers focused on user experience. Step 5. Testing and deployment. Once your app is ready, it's time to test it. Thorough testing is critical to identify bugs and improve the overall functionality. When everything is perfect, deploy your app and get it out to the world. Step 6. Maintenance and updates. The job doesn't end once your app is launched. Continuous maintenance and updates ensure that your app stays relevant, bug-free, and fully optimized for your users. Cost to build an app like Wayfair. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Building an app like Wayfair can be a big investment, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate it. The average cost to develop a Wayfair clone app ranges from $25,000 to $250,000, depending on the features, platform, and complexity of the app. Here's a breakdown. For simple apps, the cost ranges from $10,000 to $30,000. For moderate apps, you're looking at $30,000 to $70,000. And for complex apps, the price can go from $70,000 to over $150,000. Other factors, like the development team's expertise and your chosen platform, will also affect the cost. Whether you go for a native app or a hybrid app, the choice you make will impact the total development budget. Key factors affecting development cost. Several factors play a huge role in determining your app's cost. Let's look at a few. 1. Complexity of the app. Simple apps cost less, while highly complex apps will require more time and money. So, decide on the features you really need. 2. Platform type. Are you going for native apps for iOS and Android? Or a cross-platform solution? Native apps are pricier, but they offer better performance. Cross-platform apps can be a bit more affordable. 3. Development team expertise. Hiring experienced developers might cost more, but they will ensure your app is top-notch. The better the developer, the better the quality. 4. Region of development. The region where you hire your development team impacts the cost. For example, developers in the US or Western Europe tend to charge more than those in Eastern Europe, Asia, or South America. Revenue models for your app like Wayfair. So, how will you make money from your app? Here are some options. Product sales, sell directly to customers, or engage in dropshipping where products are sent by your partners. In-app advertisements, let other businesses advertise their products on your platform. Installation services, partner with services like Handy for assembly, and charge for installations. Transaction fees, take a small fee from every transaction made on the app. Ready to get started? Building an app like Wayfair is an investment, but it can pay off in a big way if done right. That's where RichestSoft comes in. Our team of experts will guide you through every stage, from planning and design to development and marketing. Whether you want to create your app from scratch or invest in a Wayfair clone, we've got you covered. With RichestSoft, your online furniture marketplace is in safe hands. Want to know more? Contact us today and let's bring your app idea to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with fellow entrepreneurs. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on app development. Remember, with the right strategy, growth and comfort can go hand in hand. RichestSoft, empowering your business with technology.